How to pin chats in WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to keep your favorite conversations at the top of your chat list. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Find the chat you want to pin and press and hold on it to select it. From there, tap on the pin icon at the top of the screen. At this point, the conversation will instantly move to the top of your chat list, above all your other chats. From there, repeat the same process for any other chats you want to pin. After that, keep in mind that WhatsApp allows you to pin up to 3 chats at the top at any one time. In the next step, if you want to rearrange the order of your pinned chats, press and hold on a pinned conversation and drag it up or down among the other pinned chats. From there, release it in your preferred position to set the new order. Once done, go back to your chat list and confirm your pinned chats are arranged the way you want them. Following this, if you want to unpin a chat, press and hold on the pinned conversation again. From here, tap on the pin icon a second time to remove it from the top of your chat list. Keep in mind, pinned chats will still move based on new messages within the pinned section, but they will always stay above your unpinned conversations, regardless of activity. Finally, go back to your chats and confirm everything is pinned and arranged correctly according to your preference. And that's it. If this guide helped you pin chats in WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.